Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to download all Instagram data. So head over to your Instagram for that. Once in there, make sure you have logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Tap on the three lines icon. It will lead you to the page of settings and privacy. From there, you have to head over to your account center. Now go to personal details or go to your information and permissions. Now go to export your information. Sometimes you might see download your information written in here. You have to head over to it and it will take you to a site of account center of Instagram. And then tap on create export. Now select export to device. It will show you several options like which email to notify, date range, the information, media quality, the format of the information. So I'm gonna go to customize information, selecting each and every one, the chats, phone calls, each and everything, media edits, reports, personal information, contacts, followers and following, link history, everything. And once you're done with it, tap on save and just tap on start export to export it to your device. So it will be downloaded and you can see by unzipping the folder, all the chats, your phone, everything. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.